Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix keyboard not working or keyboard not detecting problem in Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Right click on the start icon, select settings. On left side select accessibility. On right side you just need to scroll down to the bottom, click on keyboard. Now click on the on-screen keyboard. For the next step we need a on-screen keyboard guys to type it. For that, close it off here. Now go to search menu and type Reddit, REGDIT. Opens up registry editor. You just need to click on open it guys. Click on yes. Now in the registry editor you just need to expand the H key local machine, expand the system, expand current control set. Now expand the services. Now you just need to search for i8042 port service. You just need to locate the i8042 port service. On right side you just need to double click on the start and now change this value data to 1 and select OK. You just need to, if you can't find this location, you just need to check the file path location guys. I will zoom in my video. After changing it, you just need to go back. For changes take effect, we need to restart your PC at last. For the second step, you just need to right click on the start icon, select device manager, expand the keyboard section, right click on the keyboard you are using it, select update driver, select search automatically for driver, click on it. The best drivers for your device are already installed. Click on search for updated drivers on Windows Update, click on it. Click on check for updates guys. Click on download and install updates if you are available in here. If you have listed more updates in here, you just need to download and install all. Click on it, and after finishing this it may request you to restart your PC. You just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt, click run as administrator, select yes guys. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Close the on-screen keyboard and now copy and paste with Ctrl C and V. Use Ctrl C to copy it and paste with Ctrl V. Paste it one by one. Check my video description for this command used in my video guys. Just need to paste it one by one. And the final command you just need to paste it sfc space / scannow. Just need to paste it and press enter. This command will take some time to finish it guys. Wait for it until this finish up. This will help you to fix any corrupted files on your computer. This verification need to get 100% guys, so wait for it until this 100% done. After getting 100% done, go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, your problem will be solved. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.